Hello everyone, this is a recording made on the 10th of October 2021, and what I'm about to share with you today are results of the quick test that we've been of something that we've been working on, i.e. how can we make the life of a trader easier to find the stock ideas faster rather than clicking through thousands or hundreds of names. I personally believe it's very important that you train your eye. However, sometimes we all have a very limited time. So what you see on the right hand side is a list that has been filtered out of among all the US stocks, and the list that the filtering criteria that we have used is the Mark Minervini based trend template. If you do not know who Mark Minervini is, he is a very famous stock trader. He's currently leading in the US stock championships with a 262% year to date by the end of September. So phenomenal result, especially in tough market conditions that we see right now. So for me, he is a great person, and I love his books, and I wish I could attend one of his seminars in the near future. Anyway, his books have a lot of content, and we use that content to run some scripts and to run some checks. So what you see on the right hand side is the whole list that, as of today, in our opinion and based on our script, meets the criteria of the trend. And with the flag, we have highlighted those stocks that kind of plot the VCP. So let's let's look at some of them. So let's start with CFR. Very nice contraction, 4.5%, number of days. CIO, look at this, how tight that is. It's not very big name. It's only 800 million market cap, so trade with caution. 171,000 stocks traded on Friday, average 500,000 stocks. So okay, there is some liquidity there. DFS, Discover Financial Services. Look at that. When we're plotting this, actually we can see there's like a double contraction. Although personally, I prefer the contractions with under 5%. So this would be my priority one. Dish, huge name, 404. Okay, slightly above 5%, but still nicely. A little bit choppy one compared to some other names, but yeah, something on the short list. This is nice, but look, very thin name, yeah. Market cap of 259 million. So cautious advised, at 12,000 stocks traded on Friday, average 73,000. So, yeah. Hollis Automation Technologies, 5.5%. What I really like is the number of days, how tight it has been, with number of days below average volume. And this all happens after this gap up that went by plus 20%. Here we have some sort of a floor. Very nice setup. KMF, 4.6%. Again, number of days quite tight. A little bit of shakeout here, most likely. PCTY, lower entry, not like the handle break of the handle, 5.7%. Also quite good liquid name. PDLB, not so liquid name, 250 million market cap, and I think it was this one. Yeah, look, Friday only 2,700 stocks that were traded and average of 7.5. So very illiquid. Be careful if it runs. PNNT, medium, again, sorry, small name, 400 million market cap, 4.2% contraction. So we're pretty much at the top, about to break out possibly. PPC, look at that. Let's measure this one. How big that move was. 20%, 17% gap, and we moved, and we are at the top of the range, staying there. Big name, so stays on the list. STXB, yeah, this one is, I was not sure if I would like to share it or not, but especially because of this wick that we see here. But on that day, the 29th of September, it closed pretty strong at the top of the day, so that's a good sign. The volume, look at this tightness in the last 2 days and with low volume, very good sign. SYF, oh, I even have some drawing in here, so looks like a cap with handle, although the handle's a little bit low, 4.5% contraction. We don't see a lot of contraction on volume, but there is something happening in here. So that's it for today, and that's the list. If you'd like to see more reviews, please leave a comment, and we'll be posting some more. Have a nice evening, everyone. Goodbye.